Hello and welcome to another update about Coti. Just want to do an update video. Actually, I wanted to do one for the last few days, but really didn't get around to doing it. And today I saw that, it seemed like Coti has found a bottom here at around the 50-cent level. And I was a bit late now with the update because now it has started to pump again with 8.5%. But anyway, in my view, it's potentially, and obviously no financial advice, but it's potentially a good time to get hold of a few more Coti coins, because I think it has found a bottom here at the 50-cent level. I did mention that 50-cent level previously, that is such an important one, and you can see since that major pump here that started on the 21st of September, since then we didn't get below 50 cents or 49. It's rather the 49 level, I think. 48, 49. It's a bit dynamic, that price level. I think it's not quite 50, but 50 is a nice and round and psychologically important level. Now it's actually 48 here, I would say, if you use the wicks. But nevertheless, it is that level where we now mark the bottom in my view. And we can see that. Let's start on the daily maybe. Let's just start on the daily to see where we are. You can see how we moved up here, and this ascending trend line that we now can also make out on the Cardano chart, but with Cardano we are down here somewhere. So Coti is holding really well, but it still is a possibility that at any time, if we lose that level here, the 50 cent or 48, we could come down to that ascending trend line anymore, and that is still close to the 30-cent level. Just something to be aware of. It's a highly volatile crypto coin. You can see that here up and down, especially since the 24th of August, it's been going up and down, so it's highly volatile. We could really come down once more here. It is just a possibility that you need to be aware of, but equally as fast we can also get back up again. So it is very dynamic, and I just want to make you aware that if we lose that 48, 49 cent level, that we could drop down to that ascending trend line, and that's currently at 32, 33 cents. At the moment we are, however, holding even above the 20-day moving average. We're above the 50 and above the 200. We had the golden cross, which is a great sign. And what we can see on the daily RSI, that we're in the bullish range, that's all looking good. So we didn't get below 50. We didn't get in the bearish range. We're above the 50 line, so in the bullish range. We are quite far away from the 70 line, so we are not in overbought territory yet. Whenever you get in overbought territory, there's typically some retracement, and that happened. The last time that really happened was here, starting on the 9th of August. You can clearly see that here, how we then moved up, but then when we really were too high, then we fell down, and that retracement took place until we hit the 50 line again. And then we started to creep up with a price again, and now we've hit the 50 line again and potentially see another price increase. So that's important. We still have a long signal here on the ADX, the directional index lines, and with the price now going up, potentially having found a bottom here, and the price is going up as we speak, the green line is probably going up as well. The MACD, however, made a bearish signal. However, it's looking like it's turning around now, and that was probably because we were quite overbought. So the price came down, and we just made that bearish signal. We can see that here on the 4-hour chart, that we actually came into the bearish range here. And you can actually see on the 4-hour, it was quite a long consolidation. But we didn't quite get into the oversold area. Now we are above 50 again. So that's a good sign. We also on the 4-hour chart just made a bullish cross here, or a long signal on the ADX, and also on the MACD a buy signal here, a bullish cross, even though we are not above the 0 line. But we are holding strong on that 50 cent, and that is one that we used quite a lot now. So it's all looking good in my view. I think it's a good time after that retracement here to really. We also had a triple bottom here, so it's actually a trend reversal signal, triple bottom here. So it's only a weak one, but let's see that 1, 2, 3 touches. We broke above that neckline, and that took us pretty much to that expected target, I would say. When you have a triple bottom here, it was actually a double top, but that didn't break, and then it made it to a triple bottom. So you had a neckline here, target is you take that depth of that, you know, to the neckline. You take that then and add it to the top, and there you go. I think we already at the target level at the immediate one. Pretty much, you can clearly see that we got all the way exactly up to that target level. Sorry. And I think the next, from here, I think we're now coiling up for a next move potentially to the upside, and could find some resistance here at 57 cents, which is that previous high, right? But yeah, it's looking good. I think we've seen a longer consolidation now, but it seems like with that triple bottom, we could have found the low here. As I said, if we drop from here, that could be quite a sharp drop to 32. I don't see it at the moment, but it, you know, it can happen at any time. Just be aware, if you lose that, you should get to that 30 cent level. But I think at the moment, I would say, because we had such a strong pump and that consolidation was expected to a degree, because you know, we came in quite overheated territory here. So we had the consolidation, and now I think, you know, the first move is probably to that 57. Then we can get, that's here. And from there on, you know, if we break that, we could get back up to the 65 cents. So that'd be great. And from then on, if we break that, you know, that could really push us to new all-time highs. I don't know if that's going to happen easily, but certainly we have the first target of 57 cents. And then from there, you know, we could move up further to the 65 cents. So I think good time to buy now. No financial advice, but I'm going to get hold of some more Coti coins now after this video, and hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.